how do I get started with Django?
So first thing you need is Python. So
Okay.
you'll definitely need to install a recent version of Python on your local machine. The latest is 3.9. 3.10 is probably due out towards the end of the year. Django also has like major versions that they've released as Django 1, Django 2, and Django 3. So the current version is Django 3, which works with the newest version of Python. So you would need, to get started, you'd need Python 3, so 3.9 probably to install. And then once you've done that, you can use the Python packaging manager, which is called pip, to install Django locally. So you do pip install Django. And then once you've done that, you can do Django start project, which is a wizard that will just create all the boilerplate stuff for you, all the folder structures, and basically get you up and running with a web app that does nothing to start with. But yeah, it's at least kind of got the basics already.
Okay. All right. Fair enough. Your webcam bipped there for just like a second, but it's you're back
Yeah,
for now, so hopefully it will just stay that way.
I think it does that. It needs to blink every so often
That, I mean,
to clean the lens.
yeah, that's fair. That's fair. Don't we all? Okay, so I can install it then just by using pip, and then you mentioned that there's a little utility that I can use then to bootstrap the application. So all of that is kind of built right in from there. Okay.
Yeah, so all the quick start guides you'll find on Django will suggest using the Django admin command to start a new project. And then kind of once you've done that, then you add the application to the project. And then it would create a set of boilerplate files, Python files for you to work with. Because this is Python, even though you're writing a web application that's going to produce HTML, you're mostly working in Python. So you're going to need a code editor that is good with Python. So obviously I'll be showing VS Code, but there's other options as well.
Are there?
So yeah, I think historically there were some other things, but we don't talk about those anymore.